stress.
Perfect.
Harley Quinn!
Hey, Quinn, let us down, see what
Don't
happens.
mind me, guys.
Kill my sister!
Here for the kid.
What's up, girl?
Come in here.
Yeah, sorry about that.
You're
Hey, kid.
You're the psycho from the roller derby.
Yeah. Are you Cassandra Cain?
Yeah?
You need to know what... Oh, please.
Harley Quinn!
Fuck you, little shit. Who are you guys? Go, 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 go!
Keep the kid alive!
Does she have to keep running? Does she have to keep running? Roman, you trust-fearing fuckbag. You! Step away from the kid. Drop it! The phone? Sure.
Whoa!
Okay, you're awake. Toss that for me, will you?
What the fuck? Who did I just blow up?
Either someone who wants me dead, or someone looking to collect the $500,000 reward on your head.
$500,000?
Yeah,
Do I look like I'm worth $500,000?
not really.
You've got the wrong kid. Now uncuff me.
Oh, sure. As soon as you give me the diamond.
What diamond?
Look at me.
What? I don't know nothing about no diamond.
The inflection in your voice, the way you can't hold eye contact, and the fact that you're a filthy little thief all suggest that you do. Now you can give it to me, or I can give you to the man that diamond belongs to. But trust me when I say, you're not gonna like what he's gonna do to you. Now hand it over.
Yeah, not gonna happen.
Come again?
I said I can't.
One more time.
I can't give it to you.
Why not?
Because I ate it, okay?